Nice work. That is really nice and thin ahi. So what are we making today?
Korean rice balls with fresh ahi tuna.
And kimchi.
And kimchi, yes.
Nice kimchi right here. So what do we got here now?
Put chopped ahi tuna, black pepper, and kimchi.
So now we're making the rice for the rice balls, right? So what do you put in there?
Toasted sesame oil.
And I already put some salt and some sugar in there. This is sticky rice.
Yeah, very sticky.
Very sticky. Okay, so what's happening now?
I'm putting in the ball.
So you made
rice balls in the
you made the
sauce.
rice ball with the ahi filling in the middle,
Yeah.
and now we're doing the coating in what is it?
In tonkatsu sauce and black sesame seeds.
Nice, and it looks like this right now. All right, finishing touch. Little mayo. Very nice.
Bam.
Tonkatsu sauce.
It's not like going.
Well, don't put too much because that's super sweet.
Okay.
Green onions.
Voila!
Very nice. Korean rice balls for dinner.